As promised, in this tutorial we're going to take some time to examine the various elements contained in the online tree. When you refresh the online tree, you are refreshing the online device listing for the system which has the master controller to which you are currently connected. The first line shows the system elements. You can also see the number of devices connected to the system and the IP address of the connected master. Subsequent lines show the various sub-devices in the system and the current firmware version being used. For instance, an NX4200 master controller has two sub-devices, 00000, which is the actual master controller itself, and 05001, which is the device controller. Another example would be an ANOVA DVX, which contains the same two sub-devices as the NX4200, but also adds a third device, 05002, which is the switch device controller. Next, each sub-device may have sub-devices of its own, each with its own firmware version. These are shown with red icons. You can click the plus sign next to a sub-device to see these additional sub-devices. When you click the plus sign next to a device, you may also notice a list of ports shown in green. Ports are very important, and as you progress through this online class, you will learn more about ports. Further on in this class, you will also learn about dynamic and virtual devices. You can also check the online status of these devices as well as the version and port information. Lastly, there may be one or more device states folders listed at the end of the online tree. These folders categorize NDP or Network Detect Proxy devices according to their device state. Here is a list of the various possible device states. Click pause here to examine this list in depth, and click play when you are ready to continue. Another option for refreshing device states is to select Refresh Network Online Tree. This option allows you to not only refresh the device states for the master you are currently connected to, but also allows you to refresh everything in the entire network. Now that we've examined the various elements of the online tree, we'll move on to transferring our code to the master controller in the next tutorial.